Hey guys. Alright, so I'm going to do another video for y'all today. And this video is not really about how to do something. It's about a couple of different techniques on bleaching. So the first one that I'm going to show y'all is how to get that camoed look, or as we call it, like the accordion look on the bleach shirts. So you're going to accordion fold the shirt like so. And you can do it any size accordion bends that you want. Can you get it like this? I like to take my rubber bands. I stick one on one end, just like this. And I just leave my sleeves kind of hanging out. And then I stick one on the other end. Like so. And that's what it looks like. So it looks like layers of dough. And I just put a rubber band on each end of it. And you can either spray the front and the back or just the front. I normally do both. If I'm doing like a camoed look, I made my daughter a camoed shirt for Christmas. And I just kind of spread the accordion pieces out like this. And kind of make it look like that. And I'll lay it down and I douse the whole top of these little rows here. I douse the whole top of it. And it gives it that camoed look. So when you take the rubber bands off, the only part bleached is what was showing. And so when you open it up, sorry, my phone fell. So when you open it up, it looks camoed on the front and on the back. The other technique that I want to show y'all is where you get kind of that tie-dye look or the twisty look. So you take the shirt like this. Let's see. I'm trying to get it where I can see. You take it and you twist it. And you twist. And you do a ton of little twists. Where it looks like that. And you do that all over the shirt. Now you can, let's see it's around. You can twist it like this. Okay. And then put like a rubber band over it like this. Okay, where you would tie it off. Let me see if I can do one for y'all and show y'all. Okay. So it's just like if you're tie-dyeing a shirt. You twist it as much as you want. And then you place the rubber band on it to stop the shirt from untwisting when you twist other areas. It's super simple. This is one of the easiest techniques of bleaching that you can do. I like doing this one for certain things. Alright, so let me turn it around and show y'all. Okay, so there you go. So this is called the twisting technique, and what this does is it gives you that tie-dye effect to where after you bleach the whole shirts, you can actually undo this, and the parts that are white, you can put color tie-dye on it if you wanted. It'd be really cool. I've done a few of them like that. And you can do as many as you want. Like you can do a couple up here, you can do a couple over here, and you can just bunch it up, right? And twist it, put your rubber band on it if you want to help hold it still. And then you take your spray bottle and you just spray the whole top of the shirt. So that way when you open the shirt up, the whole shirt is actually not bleached. It'll look like it at first because you've just balled 3 or 4 sections up. Now this is a used shirt, but you've balled 3 or 4 of these sections of the shirt up, so it's going to be like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so much bleach all over the shirt, it's going to be horrible. But actually when you undo it, there's big beautiful white star splashes all over the place. Alright, so that's 2 techniques that you can do. Let me think of some other techniques. There's some simple techniques while you're bleaching that you not necessarily are doing to the shirt, which is I usually have when I bleach 3 or 4 different bottles, some brushes, a bucket with just bleach in it. And the reason why is because if you want it to look like paint spilled on it, then you're going to want to put your bottle to like a spray spritz so you can spritz all over the shirt, or you leave like thick drops everywhere and you fling it on there. I use the paintbrushes for that. But if you're not wanting anything, if you're just wanting just the square, then just use the straight spray and you just do the square on the shirt. I'm trying to think if there is any other kind of techniques. Now there is stencil bleaching, but it's almost easier if you just cut it out of vinyl, stick it on here, spray it with the bleach, and then peel the vinyl up. like the, not the HTV, not where you heat transfer it, just the sticky vinyl. Don't do heat transfer and then iron it on. Just get regular vinyl, cut your stencil out, place your stencil on the shirt, spray it with bleach, and then lift up the stencil. And remember, guys, when bleaching, do not do it indoors, and less is more. Thank y'all for watching.